Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love Yourself on guitar easily. We will start by learning the 4 basic open chords needed for the entire song. These are C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Don't worry if F major feels a little tricky at first. Many beginners find it challenging. Just focus on clear notes for each chord before moving on. Next, let's tackle a simple strumming pattern that works perfectly for this song. A good rhythm to start with is down, down, up, down, up. Try to keep your strumming hand loose and maintain a steady tempo. Practice this pattern with each individual chord for about 4 counts before attempting to switch between them. Consistency is key here. Now that you know the chords and a basic strum, let's work on smooth transitions. Start by practicing the C to G change, then AM to F. Aim for your fingers to move simultaneously to the new shape. Try using a metronome, beginning at a slow tempo like 60 beats per minute, and gradually increase the speed as you become more confident with each switch. Finally, let's put everything together and play the song. The main chord progression is C, G, A minor, and F, repeating throughout. Combine this with your practice strumming pattern. Don't be afraid to start slowly. The goal is accuracy over speed. Try singing along to the melody as you play. It often helps with timing and makes the practice more enjoyable. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.